hour. Please revise this table carefully. This table is to mention the flow rate of the product coming out from the second room, medium care room, before delving in the flow rate and wastes from the product at the third room, the high care room. Flow actual amount of the product per minute. Optimal and expected flow is more than 30 bags /min, so please notice the necessary changes, modifications, replacements and sometimes removal and the wastes at this point where the girl received the product into baskets reaches 0.1%. And now take a quick look at the flow rate from machine to another at the third room. By using the pairwise comparison between the three centrifugal units mentioned in this table. Please check it. This is the timing per each unit and the amount of kilograms produced per minute. We are expecting the flow to be more than 30 kilograms. But as the table demonstrates, it is barely touching the 30 kilograms per minute. So, we need some corrections to reach this expectation, as follow. 1. The flow from the medium care unit is as steady as 15 kilograms /3 baskets per minute. 2. We have 3 centrifugal units, CU, which have the flow of 5 kilograms every 11 to 22 sec according to the pairwise relationship of the CU. So the flow here is 15 to 18 kilogram. 3. No need to increase the number of the CU, we just need to standardize their durations and baskets filling capacity. 4. We have to reduce the CU timing and reduce the basket's capacity to 3 to 4 kg. 5. Pairwise durations between CU needed to be 10 seconds instead of 11-22 seconds to increase the capacity to 30 kg per minute. 6. Product passes the MC unit in 1.55 minutes. So we need to accelerate the flow through this area to be 1 minute. Then the flow from this area to the HC area will be doubled to 30 kg per minute. The flow then will be doubled through the CU. At the HC area. Correction, waste elimination. 1. Baskets receiver wastes happen when the girl is changing baskets under the vibrating belt. It is unavoidable. So we need to fix an elastic lid from stainless steel on the belt, which is swaying like the tennis racket. The lid is connected to a handle that the girl uses to open or close the passage. 2. The basket holes are wide and need to bring the other baskets with narrow holes. 3. Filling the baskets, more than 6 kg, causes the product to fall from above the basket. Next step is including the check table and packing and weighing table. Wastes check table 0.6%, packing and weighing table 0.3%. Expected flow /centrifugal units 30 kg /min. Correction, flow acceleration. 1. This place needs more handy girls to increase this rate up to 15 bags per minute per girl. 2. The table's direction according to the flow direction is standing as a block, It changes direction here while you need to move a basket on the ground besides placing its product on the table. 3. The table should be placed by directing it backside to the CU, and so is the weighing table will take the same direction. 4. Distances should be shorter. 5. Another approach is to merge the two tables together with a short separator, like a block on the surface of the same table. 6. Designing the two steps together with the capability to take additional 2 places for each of them. 7. Monitor table shouldn't be less than 7 girls. Another modification approach is to change the last room direction. That is, to make the room direction orthogonal with the current direction. Merging the final room with the final transitional empty room and make the direction as a one line in the orthogonal direction. This approach will shorten the way to the refrigerator about 12 meters. Besides, this will make work, movement and transportation easier and faster and time shorter. Correction, waste elimination, 1. Packing and weighing table modification or redesigning. 2. From the quality perspective, the monitor table at this step is not necessary. This step needs a checking point, not a checking process. After dividing the defects, it is very hard and costs money to increase the checking girls. 3. We need to add this process at the very beginning process while the defects still one piece, not after dividing them into slabs or cuts. Waste at this point will be high. Defect traceability is clearly demonstrated in the defect traceability sheet. Vacuum and sealing machine. Please revise this table. Correction, flow acceleration. 1. The vacuum and sealing machine is repaired daily. Maintenance takes time from working time and leaves smoke inside the HC area. Notice, this is done during the working hours. 2. Repairing action is unavoidable daily because it's a machine defect and the only solution is to change the machine itself. 3. Leaves a lot of vapor with a lot of contamination and dirt at its outlet inside the factory attic. 4. Flow here should be more than 30 bags per minute, but the vacuum machine makes it equal to or less than 25. 5. Printing process must be held with a handy girl to pass over 30 bags per minute. New vacuum machine. The late vacuum machine provides 16 kilograms forward/minute while the new machine provides 12 kilograms forward/minute. So, the expected flow will give us 720 kilograms forward/hour, that is, 2,520 kilograms forward/3.5 hours, the before lunch time, before 12 o'clock. If we want to increase the capacity, we can use the old machine with the new one. Printing machine. Please check this table. Correction, flow acceleration. Printing process must be held with a handy girl to pass over 30 bags per minute. Metal detector. Please check this table. Overall assessment. It is healthy to have a perfect flow, steady and stable everywhere, with the necessity to have a robust system. Our target flow is 30 bags per minute and this capacity could be achieved easily with the conditions outlined above, and this is done while the system is ongoing without breakdowns or any unnecessary stops. We have to enable this design by sticking to such flow all over the processing line from the beginning to the end. Total waste for the third room only is about 1.1%, that is for every ton we lost 11 kilograms, supposed to be packed. Total of 2 room, second and third room, is 3.7%, that is 37 kilograms per ton.